afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Rutuja Jayawant Sagar. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Nanasaheb Mehdi College of Engineering, Pet. My strength is I am very positive person, and my weakness is I am very emotional. My short-term goal is to achieve a good post in reputed company, and my long-term goal is to learn something more new things from my colleagues.
Okay, good. So now we will take your technical ability. So guys, see, we'll ask her a technical question. So let's start with the technical questions. Okay, just explain what is the class and object.
Class is nothing but blueprint of an object, and object is called as a real-time entity. Object has three different properties. They are object state, identity, and behavior. We can take real-time example of object, that is table, chair, laptop, television.
Okay, okay, good. So just explain me the four pillars of OOPS concept.
Four pillars of OOPS are inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction.
Okay, you just have to deeply explain what is the inheritance.
Inheritance is nothing but deriving one class from another class.
Great. Does constructor return any value?
Yes, constructor returns value. Implicitly it returns class instant, and explicitly it doesn't have any return type.
Is constructor inherited?
No, constructor is not inherited.
Is constructor is a final?
No, constructor is not the final.
Okay, great. So the next question I'll be asked about a static keyword. So tell me, what is the static keyword?
Static is used for memory management. We can make static as a variable, as a method, and as a block. So in static variable, when we use static keyword before any variable, the memory is made constant. Means we cannot change the memory location, but we can change the values from it.
Okay. So can we access the non-static data member into the static method?
No, we cannot access non-static methods in static.
Okay. Explain what is the polymorphism.
Polymorphism, it contains two words. Poly means many and morphism means form. Polymorphism, we can take real-time example, that is a human being, a girl which is she can be a student, she can be a daughter, she can be a wife. That's it. And polymorphism in technical language, polymorphism has two types. They are runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is also called as a method overloading, and runtime polymorphism is also called as a method overriding.
Great.